Jen, and this is your Tonga Traveler, and I welcome you all to Norway! So guys, a little bit update. We are now on our way to Brønnøysøy in Nordland, and we are now in Korsen. It's a place in Namsos commune. So we are going to two spoons? Yes. Okay. So we are now in Korsen, guys, and first thing we were looking at is a coffee. So we need coffee because we are a little bit sleepy while driving, guys. And we found this nice coffee shop here, just the right hand side when you enter Korsen. And yeah, nice place. Look, I showed to you there. Got the place, and perfect because it's nice weather today. We got tables, and we are going inside as well. So guys, I am going inside to show you. Wait, I'm gonna ask Unnskyld? Yeah. Hva heter, what's the name of your place?
Lensmannsgården.
But because I have a YouTube channel, so I'm trying to vlog the places I've been. We are in Korsen.
Ja.
Korsen.
På den andre siden, ja.
Yeah, Korsen. We are in Korsen. Oh, this place is called
Lensmannsgården.
There you go, guys. Lensmannsgården. So you also have rooms, right? Yeah. So they also have rooms here. So it's great if I'm gonna film a little bit.
Show upstairs and
Okay. So guys, I am going to show you. So first of all, yes, I just showed you there. Perfect if you're a coffee lover. And they also have cakes here and some sweets as well. And here is, look, nicely decorated. So we are very lucky to stop at this place, guys, and we were not really expecting. Look at those nice chairs, nice tables, nice wall decorations. And let me see, that's the toilet, and they got rooms upstairs as well. And we go in here. So that is the road. They got a tractor there. So here it is, guys. They are open from 11 to 5 o'clock. Is it 5, 6? Yeah, to 5 o'clock. So they got rooms. Nice little place, guys. So if you want to stop by here, it's perfect. So it's a nice place to stop also, and the owner is very accommodating. And yes, so now I am going to enjoy my coffee, and also at the same time I ordered cake. So guys, we just have ordered a cake, rabarbra cake. With ice cream, is that ice cream, and yeah, nicely done, guys. Let's eat.